Some mornings you don't need a plan. You just need a boat that's ready before you are. The Pursuit S358, built for the day you actually go. Pursuit builds them in Fort Pierce, Florida, Sports Center Console, family. 47 years of boats that get you offshore early and back before dark with everyone still smiling. Twin 450 XTOs on the transom. Sharp, deep V hull. You're flat on the chop, dry over the rollers, past the inlet and into open water before most people finish their first pot of coffee. Hardtop overhead. Center console open to the breeze. Walk-on transom drops you to the swim platform between the engines. You're off the boat in 3 minutes. 12 rod holders rigged and ready. Lighted livewell, 32 gallons, recirculating. Hardtop keeps you covered when a squall rolls through. And when the sandbar empties out at golden hour, the foredeck is wide open. Cushions out, cooler down, lines tied off. The cabin below stays cool. Settee folds out. Air conditioning when the day finally catches up with you. But you're not down there much. This is a foredeck and cockpit boat. It's a sunrise boat. It's the one you take when you're done waiting for the weather to be perfect. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.